A bountiful blessings come with those who worship God on Sabbath day. When we think of investment, we probably think of material possessions like a big amount of money in the bank, house and lots scattered locally and abroad, business enterprises internationally. Some also look on education, as they say that education is the key to success, and probably our health, for health is our wealth. Let us hear from our dear members of Adventist Church around the globe how they are investing on earth and for heaven.
I will invest for heaven.
I will invest for heaven.
Everyone, I have given a chance to answer these following questions for our Sabbath School program. The first question is, if you are to invest, what will you invest? If I have the opportunity to invest po, siguro gusto kong ibalik yung dating business namin na pharmacy business. Tapos, I will let my sister be the pharmacist and I will be the one to manage it. The next question is, would you also want to invest for heaven? Yes, of course, because heaven is our ultimate goal, right? Let me share you a verse stated in Matthew 6 verse 21 says, "For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." So let us invest for eternity by growing our character and serve others in need so that we can yield eternal dividends in heaven. Good morning and happy Sabbath po to everyone. Greetings from Poland.
I will invest for heaven. I will invest for heaven.
Hi everyone! If I'm going to invest in the future, I would love to venture land investment. I consider it safe and smart at the same time as land do not depreciate. In fact, its value appreciate over time. But for heaven, I would love to invest my time. For this is a good starting point to establish a good relationship with God, at the same time being committed in His service, and finally reaching out to other people and share His words. All the way from Norway, God bless!
I will invest for heaven.
I will invest for heaven.
If I were to invest in something, I would use my resources to invest in a business venture where I could use my own time while earning. But through this pandemic, I've learned that it is very important to invest on your health, and that's eating healthy, exercising, having enough sleep, and focusing in your mental health is also very important. And to add up, health insurance is also very important. I've also learned to invest on time, more time to your loved ones, more time on collecting happy memories. But above all, an investment in your preparations for your ultimate goal, and that's going to heaven, wherein there will be no more sickness, no more separation, and no more uncertainties.
I will invest for heaven.
I will invest for heaven.
Hello everyone, I'm Janelle and I was thinking earlier, if I were to make investments one day, I would love to invest on real estate properties, rental housing, and of course in my education. Education is a very powerful investment for our future because it brings new opportunities. It helps us fuel our self-confidence to do more and do better, which then leads to an improved quality of life. And there is an investment that I desire the most, an investment for eternity in the heavenly kingdom of God. Matthew 6 verse 20 tells us that we should store ourselves treasures in heaven. The Bible mentions that our reward awaits those who are faithfully serving the Lord while we are still here on earth. And if we are in Jesus, we are to fully commit our time, ourselves, our resources, our money, our work, our talents in the service of the Lord. And if He comes again, He shall surely reward those who are faithful. I invite you to make that investment as well.
If you were to ask if you are going to invest for heaven, the answer will all be yours. But as for me and my house, we will invest for heaven.